are a classic campfire dessert. Golden puffy marshmallows sandwiched between graham crackers. And of course, chocolate oozing everywhere. It's almost like you have to eat them outside. Now here's my version. Let's start with marshmallow. This is powdered gelatin, and that's what makes the marshmallows bouncy and then gooey later. Great, now the gelatin's doing its thing. We've got the bounce. Now we need the sweetness. Sugar and water here, and a little bit of corn syrup just makes sure that that sugar doesn't crystallize, keeps everything nice and gooey. And a tiny pop of salt. Now that needs to simmer. This looks perfect. So luxurious. Okay, these have to go into a tin, well greased because they're super sticky. And they'll just have to sit for a little while to set. Now I gotta start my crust, which all begins with the room temperature butter. Now these are s'mores bars, so we've gotta have graham crackers in the crust. And these need to be in crumbs. I'm gonna have some fun with this. Let's get these into the crust. All right, before I polish this off, I have to get it into my dish. You can hear that crunch already. I gotta press all this down nice and flat. Don't be afraid to get your fingers in there. That looks about right. Now for s'mores, we got marshmallows, graham crackers. What's missing? Chocolate! I'm gonna do a whole layer of chocolate on this crust. Let's invite the marshmallows to this party. Heavy on the icing sugar right now, or it's just gonna be a marshmallow disaster. This not only tastes good, it feels so fun too. And for a final touch of texture, a little bit of that leftover graham cracker mix sprinkled on top. Throw another log on the campfire. Dessert's coming. Oh, you don't have to cut a slice that's this big, unless I'm coming over. Look at these layers, the crunchy, the soft and melty, and the ooey gooey marshmallow. Here I go. That is so good. I should have cut a bigger slice. Those layers, it's crunchy, it's melty, it's gooey, it's chewy, it's everything you could want in a dessert bar. It's my new best friend. Mmm.